welcome back, smart mathematicians. We're doing the last part of question 4, which is 4.4. Right, write down the expansion of this the sum of the arithmetic series. Show only the first 3 terms and then the last term of the expansion. We've done that part. Right, hence or otherwise calculate this summation here. Okay, so we have done the first part. We have done this one. Maybe we need to do this one and then we add them. Okay, all working details must be shown. So we did the first part. We found out that this summation here, n is equal to 1, then 5,000, then 2n plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus, it goes on like that, okay, up to term number 5,000. Right, and then let's do this one. Let's do this one here. So it's going to be, we have our sigma notation there. N is equal to 1, then 4,999. And then we have negative 2n minus 1 is equal to, the first term we substitute what? Where there's n we put 1. So it's going to be what? Negative 2 times 1 minus 1. Right. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Then plus, we put 2 here where there's n. So it's going to be negative 2 times 2 minus 1. Right. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. And then plus negative 2 times 3 minus 1, which is negative 6 minus 1, which is negative 7. So these, it goes on like that up to term number 4,999. Right now, we have to evaluate this. We have to evaluate this and evaluate this. And then we just add them. Okay, so we're finding the sum of these terms, arithmetic series. This is an arithmetic series. Both of them, they are arithmetic series. We find the sum of these and then we just add them. Okay, let's just do that. So now start with the first one. Sum of how many terms? 5,000 terms. Remember how we get n, the number of terms, from sigma notation. We say the top number minus the bottom number plus 1. The top number minus the bottom number plus 1. So it's 5,000 minus 1, which is 4,999, and then plus 1 goes back to 5,000. Even here, you say top number minus bottom number plus 1. So it means there will be 4,999 terms. Here there will be 5,000 terms. So let's start with this one. So a sum of 5,000 terms is equal to, and then we have our arithmetic series formula. Remember it. Let me just write here at the top. Sn is equal to n over 2 in 2a plus n minus 1d. That's the formula we're going to use. So it's going to be 5,000 divided by 2, and then 2 times our first term is what? 5. First term is 5, then plus n minus 1. So it's 5,000 minus 1. Then what is the difference here? The difference is 2. Right, and then you can put this in the calculator. If you put this in the calculator, you get 25,020,000. 25,020,000. Okay. Right, let's do this one. Sum of how many terms? Sum of 4,999 terms. which is going to be 4,999 divided by 2, and then 2. Then what is our first term? Negative 3. Okay, negative 3, put it inside the bracket, then plus 4,999 minus 1. Then what is the difference? Be careful here. Negative 5 minus negative 3, which is negative 5 plus 3. So the difference is negative 2. Put it in the bracket like this. And then, okay. It's very, very important to use brackets here, especially if the difference is negative. Yeah. And then put this in the calculator. You'll get your 24 million, negative 24 million 999,999. Okay, and then now what is this? We're supposed to evaluate this, so it's going to be 5,000, then n is equal to 1, then 2n plus 3 plus 4,999, n is equal to 1, then negative 2n minus 1 is equal to, then we just add these two, 25 million and 20,000 plus negative, so it's going to be minus because plus negative gives you minus 24,999,999. Okay, then the answer is 20,001. Okay, we have evaluated that. Right, so thank you very much. We're going to meet when we're doing question 5. Goodbye.